Installing a front I/O expansion board module. The replacement procedure applies to both front I/O expansion board modules and front I/O expansion board carriers. A front I/O expansion board module is used for the demonstration in this video. If necessary, align the front I/O expansion board with the screw holes on the carrier and then fasten the 5 screws to secure the front I/O expansion board to the carrier. Align the front I/O expansion board module with the 4 guide pins on the chassis and lower the module into the chassis. Slide the front I/O expansion board module toward the front of the server until the guide pins are fully seated in the guide holes on the module. Fasten the thumb screw to secure the front I/O expansion board module to the chassis. Gently place the radiator bracket onto the radiator. Fasten the 4 screws to secure the radiator bracket to the chassis. Reconnect the cables to the front I/O expansion board module. Reinstall the front drive tray. Reinstall the SXM PCIe switch card. Depending on the configuration, reconnect the power and signal cables to the 2.5-inch drive backplane or the E3.S drive backplane. Reconnect the front operator panel cable to the system board assembly. Reconnect the front I/O module cables to the system board assembly. Reinstall any network adapters. Reinstall the fan cage. Reinstall the fans. Install the top cover.